Okay, we're going to continue on with solving equations. Okay, and this is going to involve having letters and numbers on both sides. So let's start with 5x equals 3 equals 2x plus 12. Okay, remember the equal sign's in the middle. Anything to the left of that's on the left hand side, anything to the right of that is on the right hand side. We want letter terms to the left and number terms to the right. Okay, so letter terms should be on the left hand side, so 5x is okay, but 3 is not. We should only have number terms on the right, so 2x is not okay, but 12 is okay. Okay, so only letters on the left, only numbers on the right. Okay, so let's start from the start. 5x is okay, but 3 is not. So what do we need to do? We need to take 3 away from both sides. Okay. 3 take away 3 cancels out. Now you just say we see, what do you see on this side that's left? 5x. Okay, and what's left on this side? Well, 2x is still there. And 12 take away 3 is 9. Then you repeat the process again, letters to the left, numbers to the right. Okay, so 5x is okay, 9's okay, but 2x shouldn't be there. So I need to get rid of 2x, but I need to get rid of it from both sides. And then 5x take away 2x is 3x. 2x take away 2x cancels out and leaves me with just 9 on that side. I then bring the 3 down, divide, and it's 9 divided by 3, and x is equal to 3. Okay, let's just go over that again. The equal sign's in the middle. Anything to the left, that's left hand side. Anything to the right, that's the right hand side. Letters should be on the left, numbers should be on the right. Letters should be on the left, that's okay. Numbers should be on the right, that should be on the right, so that's not okay. On the right hand side, numbers should be on the right, that's okay, but letters shouldn't be, so that's not okay. So you then start the left hand side. At 5x is okay, leave it there, but I need to get rid of 3. So how do I eliminate plus 3? Take away 3, but I need to take away 3 from both sides. Then you've got those 2 cancel out, leave you with 5x. What you're left with on this side, you've still got 2x, and 12 take away 3 is 9. Go through the process again. Letters to the left, 5x is okay, and 9's on the right, that's okay, but 2x shouldn't be there, so you need to get rid of it, but you need to eliminate it from both sides. 5x take away 2x is 3x. They 2 cancel and leave you with 9. Bring 3 down, divide. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 is the final answer. Okay, example 2. 9x plus 3 equals 5x plus 11. Okay, equal signs in the middle. There's the left hand side, there's the right hand side. Letters should be on the left, numbers should be on the right. Letters on the left, that's okay, but numbers should be on the right, so that's not. Numbers should be on the right, that's okay, but that's not. Okay, so 9x is fine. 3 is not, so I need to get rid of 3 from both sides. And they cancel out, leave you with 9x. What's left on this side? 5x. And 11 take away 3 is 8. Let's go through it again. Letters on the left, numbers on the right. That's okay. Numbers should be on the right, that's okay. 5x shouldn't be there. So I need to get rid of 5x on both sides. 9x take away 5x is 4x. They cancel out, leave you with 8. You then bring the 4 down and divide. And that's going to be x equals 8 over 4, and x is equal to 2. Example 3. 7g minus 2 is equal to 5g plus 12. Okay, equal signs in the middle. There's the left hand side, there's the right hand side. Letters should be on the left, that's okay. Numbers should be on the right, so that minus 2 shouldn't be there. Okay, on the right hand side, letters shouldn't be on the right, so that shouldn't be there, but 12's okay. Okay, so let's go through it again. 7g is okay. How do you get rid of minus 2? Add 2 to both sides. What you left with on this side, 7g. What you left with on that side, 5g plus 12 plus 2 is 14. Go through it again. Letters on the left, numbers on the right. Letters on the left, numbers on the right. 7g is okay. 5g's not, that shouldn't be there, 14's okay. So I need to get rid of 5g from both sides. 7g take away 5g is 2g. They cancel out, leave me with 14. Then bring the 2 down, divide. 14 divided by 2, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. Final answer. Okay, let's try another. 6c minus 5 is equal to 2c plus 5. That's the left hand side, there's the right hand side. Letter should be on the left, number should be on the right. So 6c is a letter, that's fine. Minus 5 is a number, it shouldn't be there. 2c is a letter, that should be on the left hand side, shouldn't be there. And 5 is okay. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to get rid of the minus 5 by adding 5 to both sides. They cancel out, leave me with 6c equals 2c plus 10. Let's go through it again. There's the left hand side, there's the right hand side. Letters to the left, numbers to the right. 6c is okay, 2c is not, 10 is. Take away 2c from both sides. 6c take away 2c is 4c, and that's equal to 10. c equals 10 divided by 4, and I can simplify that down, top and bottom by 2, and that will give me 5 over 2. Let's try one final example. Okay, 9q minus 3 equals 4q plus 1. Equal signs in the middle. There's the left hand side, there's the right hand side. Letters should be on the left, numbers should be on the right. Letters should be on the left, that's okay, but numbers should be on the right, so that's not. Numbers should be on the right, that's not, and that's okay. Okay, how do I get rid of minus 3? Add 3 to both sides. 9q equals 4q plus 4. Go through it again, 9q is okay, but 4q is not, so I get rid of 4q from both sides. 9q take away 4q is 5q, that's equal to 4. Bring the 5 down, 4 over 5, final answer. Okay, so you're going to have a go at these 5 letters left, numbers to the right. You need to balance things out, we'll pick that up tomorrow.